Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. Can you believe it? Pokemon is 25 years old this week. And in tribute, I thought I would do a fun little sketch. Now, if I'm being honest here, I did not grow up with Pokemon. Pokemon came out towards the end of high school and I had other interests. I have never played the card game. I've never played any of the video games. I did see the cartoon a couple of times, but it didn't really hold my interest because I didn't really know what it was all about. But several years ago, I was commissioned by a friend to draw a bunch of original artworks for her son's birthday party. They held a Pokemon Go birthday party out in their neighborhood, and they posted a bunch of the original drawings that I did around the neighborhood, and then the kids would actually go out and find the Pokemon. I thought it was a pretty cool idea, and it was my first time learning a lot of the character names, and I actually had a blast drawing them. It's been a few years since I have attempted to draw any of the Pokemon characters, and so today, for the 25th anniversary, I thought it would be fun to draw everyone's favorite Pikachu. Let me know in the comments if you grew up with Pokemon and what your favorite character is. I'm interested to read the comments and just to see beyond Pikachu, what are some of the other characters that people are really into. It's been ages since I've drawn anything, so if you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Enjoy the video. Bye.